Today I wanted to show you how I make and use a smudge pot. A smudge pot is simply creating smoke in a can to keep the mosquitoes away. My mom always had one smoking away in the backyard on summer nights. Here's my smudge pot I made years ago. I like to use old paint cans because it already has a handle built in. A coffee can works good too, but you'll have to make your own handle. I drill 2 rows of 1/2-inch holes all around. And sometimes drilling holes on a round surface can be tricky, so be careful because the drill can slip. These holes are important so your fire can get air. These cans obviously get very hot, so don't put them on anything that will burn. A clay or dirt surface works good. I like to use another empty can, just make sure it's stable. First, you'll need to get a fire going. I start with some paper and some twigs, but it won't burn for very long, so you'll need some bigger pieces of wood, 1 to 2 inches in diameter. Once your fire is burning hot, grab a few fistfuls of green grass and put it on top, and you should get a thick smoke to keep the mosquitoes away. If you're doing work outside, you can attach some wire to the handle and move it around with you, or you can hang it. These also make great portable stoves as well. You can also bathe in the smoke, that helps a lot too. So I'm pretty sure you're familiar with using a smudge pot, but the smell of that burning grass brings back a lot of childhood memories for me. Just sitting around the backyard. My mom was always the one to get the smudge pot going, and she knew how to make it smoke for hours. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.